The animal kingdom is home to a vast array of fascinating creatures, from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals. Some animals are famous for their beauty, others for their strength, and still others for their intelligence. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 10 animals in the world, based on their unique characteristics and popularity among humans. But before starting the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future updates. Let's start the video. Number 10. Golden Retriever. The Golden Retriever is a medium to large-sized dog breed that is known for its friendly and gentle nature. They were originally bred as hunting dogs in Scotland in the 1800s, but have since become popular family pets due to their loyalty and affectionate personality. They are highly intelligent and easy to train, making them great companions for families with children or other pets. They have a thick, water-repellent coat that can range in color from cream to golden, and require regular exercise to maintain their health and happiness. Overall, the Golden Retriever is a beloved breed that is cherished for its kind and loving nature. Number 9. Platypus. The platypus is an iconic Australian animal, but incredibly elusive and rare. They are endemic to Australia and Tasmania, where they actively feed, lay eggs, and nest, reflecting their famous mammalian and avian characteristics. They are known for their rubbery bills, webbed feet, fur, ability to secrete milk and lay eggs. They often live in solitary conditions and feed on crustaceans, mollusks, and insects. They are protected throughout Australia, but remain vulnerable to the degradation of their natural habitats across Tasmania and Australia's east coast. Number 8. Red Bear. A red bear is a bear that has a reddish-brown coloration of its fur. The specific shade of red can vary depending on the species of bear, as well as the individual genetics of the bear itself. Some species of bear, such as the grizzly bear and the black bear, can have individuals with red fur, although it is not a common trait. In some cultures, red bears hold symbolic significance. For example, in Native American mythology, the red bear is often associated with healing and strength. In Chinese culture, the red bear is sometimes associated with good fortune and prosperity. While the red bear may be a visually striking sight, it is important to remember that bears are wild animals and should be treated with caution and respect. It is never a good idea to approach a bear, and people who live in areas with bear populations should take steps to secure their property and avoid attracting bears with food or garbage. Number 7. Little Blue Penguin. The little blue penguin, also known as the fairy penguin, is the smallest penguin species in the world, standing at around 30 centimeters tall and weighing only about 1 kilogram. They are native to New Zealand and southern Australia, and can be found in various coastal areas, as well as on some offshore islands. These penguins have a distinctive blue-gray plumage on their backs and white bellies, with a small pointed beak and flippers that allow them to swim and dive in the ocean to catch fish, squid, and other small marine animals. They are also known for their loud, braying calls, which they use to communicate with each other. Little blue penguins are social creatures and often live in large groups known as colonies. They mate for life and return to the same nesting sites every year to breed and raise their chicks. Although they are not considered endangered, threats to their populations include habitat loss, predation by introduced species, and pollution in their marine environments. Number 6. Tarsius tarsier. The Tarsius tarsier are found only in the primary and secondary forests of select Indonesian islands. They are known for their velvety fur, small round bodies, and scaly tails, reflecting their position as the smallest known primate. They are nocturnal and most active at dusk, when they will travel through the forest in search of places to forage and may sing as they return to their nesting grounds. Selayar Island is a tropical paradise with its white sandy beaches, but it also possesses dense rainforest foliage that hosts the active tarsiers in the Greater Tacobonrate National Park. Number 5. Rusty Spotted Cat. The rusty spotted cat is one of the smallest wild cats in Asia and, with its short red and gray fur, easily blends into surrounding foliage. Nocturnal, they mainly live in dry forests and grasslands. One of the largest populations of rusty spotted cats exists in Yala National Park, which has light forest and grassy plains, perfect for the hunting, sleeping, and social habits of the cats. They feed mostly on birds and rodents, but may also search for lizards, frogs, and insects. They find refuge in the trees when escaping from larger predators. Number 4. Baby elephant. Baby elephants are some of the cutest animals on the planet. These little pachyderms are born weighing around 200 pounds and standing at about 3 feet tall. They are covered in a soft fuzz that will eventually turn into bristly hairs. Baby elephants stay close to their mothers for the first few years of their life, learning everything they need to know about how to survive in the wild. They nurse for the first few months, but they will start eating vegetation at around 6 months old. Baby elephants are playful and curious, often chasing after birds or their own tails. They are highly social animals and love to interact with other elephants in their herd. Despite their adorable appearance, baby elephants can be very strong and are already capable of knocking over trees with their trunks. Number 3. Bush baby. Bush baby, also known as the galago, is a small, nocturnal primate found in Africa. They are known for their distinctive large eyes, which give them excellent night vision. Bush babies are omnivores, feeding on a variety of foods such as insects, fruits, and tree gums. They are arboreal, spending most of their time in trees, and are capable of leaping long distances thanks to their powerful hind legs. Bush babies have a unique social structure where they live in small family groups consisting of a mated pair and their offspring. They communicate with each other through a series of vocalizations, including a loud, piercing call that can be heard up to 100 meters away. Unfortunately, some species of bush baby are facing threats due to habitat loss and hunting for bushmeat, which has led to a decline in their population in some areas. Number 2. Wombat. The wombat is the second largest marsupial. Depending on whether a bare-nosed or hairy-nosed wombat, these bear-shaped creatures can be found in coastal regions, thick forests, or vast, dry landscapes throughout their native Australia. Wombats are nocturnal and love to eat, spending as long as the average human does sleeping and eating, their sharp teeth shredding their favorite grasses. If threatened, they can run up to 25 mph to escape animals such as wild dogs and foxes. Number 1. Otters. Otters are semi-aquatic mammals that belong to the family Mustelidae, which also includes weasels, ferrets, and minks. They are found on every continent except for Australia and Antarctica. There are 13 species of otters, ranging in size from the small river otter to the large sea otter. Otters are known for their playful behavior, and they are often seen floating on their backs and using rocks to crack open shellfish. They are excellent swimmers, with webbed feet and a streamlined body that allows them to move through the water quickly. Otters are also important members of their ecosystems, as they help control the populations of fish and other aquatic animals. However, many species of otters are threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these charismatic creatures and ensure their survival in the wild. We hope you enjoyed our list of the top 10 cutest animals in the world. While there are many other cute animals out there, these 10 are some of the most irresistible. From the sugar glider to the otters, each of these creatures has its own unique charm. Whether you're a nature lover or simply a fan of all things cute, these animals are sure to put a smile on your face. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video interesting, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next one.